Hello everyone, this is Arushi Jain and you are watching my channel Arushi's Deco Art. Diwali is round the corner and here I am with a new video of a tutorial of Shubhlabh, a spacious home decor for Diwali. So let's get started. For making these Shubhlabh, here I am using these cardboard sheets. I am taking rectangle out of these cardboard sheets. The length of the rectangle is 23 centimeters and width of which is 10 centimeters. Now with the help of a scissor, we will cut these out. Now I have taken 1 teaspoon of Fevicol and 3 teaspoons of water and mix it well, and now we will apply this mixture of Fevicol on these cardboard sheets so that we will stick the A4 sheet on these piece of cardboard sheets. I have pasted A4 sheets so that I can apply a smooth layer of color on these cardboard pieces. These cardboard sheets are now ready to color. Here I am using red acrylic color. Instead of red color, you can use your choice of color, and instead of acrylic color, you can also use simple water-based colors as well. Here I have these old Shubhlabh at home and I will give them a new touch, and for that I have to remove these stones so that I can color them. Here I have applied a coat of white acrylic color as primer. Now we will let them dry. I am filling the gaps with red acrylic color. I am using red color because the base of the cardboard sheets is also red. Here I am applying Fevicryl acrylic color, sparkling pearl yellow color. You can apply whatever color you want. Now I will paste a simple border lace on cardboard sheet. If you don't have these border lace, you can also make design with the help of colors, stones and pearls, whatever stuff you are having at your home. Here I am making a very simple design with the help of white acrylic color. If you do not wish to make these kind of designs, you can also skip this step. I am making these designs on the alternative sides. See how beautiful it looks. Now I will paste some old flowers which I have taken from old flower vase at my home, and I am also using these green leaves. You can use whatever stuff you have at your home. If you do not have these kind of flowers, you can totally skip this step, and you can make the design from colors, stones, pearls, whatever stuff is lying at your home. Now we will paste these shubhlabh with the help of a hot glue gun. To give it a more traditional and auspicious look, I am here making a satya with the help of yellow acrylic color. If you have satya made of plastic that are easily available in the market, you can simply stick that also. You can also use 3D outliners to make this satya. We are now adding pearl hanging, which will give a more beautiful look. We have stick these hanging with the help of hot glue gun. If you have some old hanging lying at your home, you can simply stick them over here. Length of these hangings is 19 centimeters. Here I am applying little amount of hot glue gun at the end of the hanging so that pearls stays in their place. I am also sticking these flowers at the end of the hanging, which will give a very beautiful look to the hanging. If you do not have these kind of old flowers at home and you also do not wish to buy them, you can also stick bells or other kind of decorative material, or you can simply skip this step. I am using double side tape so that these shubhlabh can hang on the wall easily. See how beautiful these shubhlabh are looking. Just amazing. You cannot find these kind of shubhlabhs anywhere in the market. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.